Hi friends, so I am Amit Kumar and I am from Gateway to IT Varanasi Institute. So this is my first video I'm going to upload on YouTube, and after that subsequently I will try to have same type of video where I can have a technical and non-technical discussion. You can see about Gateway to IT at our website, or I have also uploaded a video. So today agenda of discussion is a technical point. Is Java a pure object-oriented programming language? So why this question comes into my mind to have a discussion in a forum? Because during my classes, I found that mostly students having some confusion on this topic, and somewhere in the books also it is written that Java is pure object oriented programming language. So I thought that let's have a discussion. And another topic is which is non-technical topic. Mostly everyone as a IT student is curious to know about which programming language is most popular. So let's start the discussion. Hmm. So first topic, technical discussion. Is Java a pure object-oriented programming language? So Java is not a pure object-oriented programming language. Why it is so? As per object-oriented programming principle, any language which is pure object-oriented programming language must follow these seven rules. The rules are encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance. I think you have heard about these four points, and three more rules. Some of you have heard about it, might be. All predefined types are object. All operations are performed by sending messages to object. And last point is all user defined types are object. So in somewhere in the book, or some of the students know that Java is pure object-oriented programming language. Why is it so? Because it's following encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance. Some of them is saying that Java is not pure object-oriented programming language. Why it is so? Because Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. But Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. This is not the actual answer why Java is not pure object-oriented programming language. So two rules which are marked in green color, all predefined types are object. As you have seen that Java is having predefined type as int, float, double, boolean, char, byte. These are predefined types, but these are not object. If these are object, then we can also invoke the method by using variables of that type. But you have seen that we've only declared int I equal to 10 or int I in this way means we can store some value into the I, but we cannot invoke the methods from the I. Why? Because I is not a object. I is a simple variable of a predefined data type. But as per pure object oriented paradigm, all predefined types should be object. Java 5 has provided wrapper classes. I know integer, character, boolean. These are wrapper classes where we can store data as well as we can invoke the method. But still, Java doesn't revoke the support of predefined data type. Still, we are using predefined data type in our project. So this rule, all predefined types should be object, is violated by Java. Next point is all operations are performed by sending messages to object. So here operation means functions and sending messages, what does it mean? Parameters that we are passing inside functions. So still inside Java, if we define user defined function, we can still pass predefined data types. We can still pass int type, float type value. Again, I am saying we can pass the object, but still along with object, have we can also pass the predefined data type. So again, as per the object-oriented, pure object-oriented paradigm, it states that all operations are performed by sending message only in the form of object, not in the form of predefined data type. So these two rules are absolutely violated by Java. It's not supported by Java. And last point, all user defined data type or all user defined types should be object, that is supported by Java. So that's why I have mentioned earlier in red color you can see Java is not pure object-oriented programming language since not supporting fifth and sixth rule. Means all predefined types should be object is not supported. All operations are performed by sending messages to the object is not supported by Java. Now question is coming, is there any programming language which is based on pure object-oriented programming principle means supporting all the seven rules? Just think about it, or you can try to Google it. Later on, I will give you answer. This is the question from my side. Is there any programming language which is based on pure object-oriented programming language? Just comment this thing. Which language is pure object-oriented programming language? I think now this question is clear to you. Now, second topic, which is non-technical. How do I know which programming is most popular? So, generally, freshers and students are asking, sir, which programming is most popular nowadays? Someone, if you ask somewhere, someone is saying Python is very popular nowadays, someone is saying Java is very popular, someone is saying C++, or someone is saying PHP, Android. So, as if you want to see the current trend, which one is most popular, then you can search these things by using internet. But if this question is coming into your mind, which programming language is best for you? This is another point of discussion. So I'm not going to discuss which programming language is best for you. It's completely up to you because every programming language has some pros and cons, and every programming language is used by some of the companies, some of the project. So now I'm coming to my question. How do I know which programming language is most popular? So better to ask anyone. What you can do, just choose the topics, means programming languages in which you want to do comparison. Just like I want to do compare PHP, .NET, Python, Android, and Java. Let's say I want to compare these five topics. So these five are my keywords. So what you need to do here, next thing, just open a browser. Since we have taken five keywords, so open five browser tab and open naukri.com everywhere into each tab. Just follow me in this way. This is my browser window. I have opened five window here, browser tab, and just opening naukri.com everywhere.